Dear class first year, in trigonometry functions, today we are going to see general solution. If sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. If cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta is equal to 2 n pi plus minus alpha. If tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. If sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, and tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha, then the solution will be theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha for each one of them. Now we are going to discuss how this formulae comes. Now if cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then cos theta minus cos alpha is equal to 0. Now here we are going to apply cos c minus cos d, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. So if we take minus common from here, so sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, so minus 2 sin theta plus alpha by 2 into sin theta minus alpha by 2 is equal to 0. So this is on multiply, other side on divide, that becomes 0. So here sin theta plus alpha by 2 into sin theta minus alpha by 2. Now either sin theta plus alpha by 2 equals to 0, or sin theta minus alpha by 2 equals to 0. Now if sin theta plus alpha by 2 is equal to 0, then we know that theta plus alpha by 2 is equal to any multiple of pi, because sin pi, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi all are 0. Now in the very next line, sin alpha theta plus alpha equals to any multiple of 2 pi. So theta is equal to, we can write 2n pi minus alpha, and here n is an integer. Now in the next line, similarly theta minus alpha by 2 equals to any multiple of pi, so theta minus alpha equals to any multiple of 2 pi, divide this side multiply. So theta is equal to, we can write 2n pi minus this side plus alpha, here n is an integer. So by these two we can see theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. This is the required solution for cos theta is equal to cos alpha. Now if tan theta is equal to tan alpha, so in the next line we can write tan theta minus tan alpha equals to 0. Here as you know, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and here sin alpha upon cos alpha is equal to 0. So if we take the LCM, so here cos theta cos alpha, sin theta cos alpha minus cos theta cos alpha is equal to 0. So this is the formula of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, that is theta minus alpha. Here 0 into cos theta cos alpha. So sin theta minus alpha now here sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So this is the formula of sin A minus B. So sin theta minus alpha is equal to 0. This is on divide, other side of equal to multiply. So this becomes a 0. So in the very next line we can write theta minus alpha is any multiple of pi. So theta minus alpha is equal to n pi. So theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. This is the required solution for tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Now if sin theta is equal to 0, then we know that the value of sin pi, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi, sin 4 pi all are 0. So here we can write theta is equal to any multiple of pi, any multiple of pi. So simply we can write theta is equal to n pi. So whenever theta is sin theta equals to 0, then solution will be theta is equal to n pi. Similarly, if cos theta is equal to 0, then we know that cos pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 is 0. So theta is any odd multiple of pi by 2. So here theta becomes 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Here this and the value of n is always gives the odd multiple. Now if tan theta is equal to 0, then theta is again any multiple of pi, so theta is equal to n pi. Now if we take the first sum, sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So we know that sin theta equals to sin pi by 3, because the value of pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, that is 60 degree. So here the solution will be theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha, that is 3 pi by 3. Okay, similarly if we take the another sum, cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2, this is the value of cos 2 pi by 3. So theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha means 2 pi by 3. If we take the another sum, tan 2 theta is equal to root 3. So here tan 2 theta is equal to tan pi by 3, 60 degree means. So 2 theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, that is pi by 3. So theta becomes n pi by 2 plus pi by 6. Here in this sum sec square theta is equal to 4 by 3. So we can write cos square theta is equal to 3 by 4. So that can be written as cos square theta is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. So cos square theta, this is the value of cos pi by 6. So this becomes cos square theta is equal to cos square alpha, theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. So that is the required solution. In the next sum, sec square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 8. So here sec square theta can be written as 1 upon cos square theta, and here 1 upon sin square theta, that is 8. So we take cos square theta and sin square theta as a LCM. So in the numerator, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equals to 8. So we know that this is 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta, and here I am going to write sin theta cos theta, and here is 2, and that is the whole square. So it means we have taken 4 from this, so here is 2. So in the very next line, 1 upon sin 2 theta whole square equals to 2. So sin 2 theta whole square is equal to 1 upon 2. So sin square 2 theta is equal to 1 upon root 2 square. So sin square 2 theta is equal to sin pi by 4. So if sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus alpha. So that becomes theta is equal to n pi by 2 plus minus pi by 8. That is the required solution. In the next sum, 3 sec square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 5. So in the very next line, we can write sin square theta, sec square theta plus tan square theta is equal to 5 by 3. Now we know that sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. So plus tan square theta, that is 5 by 3. So here 2 tan square theta is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. Now, so tan square theta, 2 tan square theta, 5 by 3. Here plus 1, other side of equal to minus 1. So 3 1 is 3, 5 minus 3 by 3. Now 2 is on multiply, so this side on divide. So here is 3, this side 2, and 5 minus 3 2. Now 2 cancelled out, so that is 1 by 3. Now tan square theta can be written as 1 by root 3 4 square. So tan square theta equals to tan square pi by 6. So theta is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 6. This is the required solution.